Gottlieb System 3 in my disembodied Silver Slugger game. And this CPU and driver board came in. The CPU board wasn't booting at all. Mainly because somebody had attempted to replace U11 ill-advisedly. Nobody should work on a System 3 board unless you have significant PCB repair experience. They hacked it up and they didn't do it right. I did my best to clean it up with some machine pin sockets and rebuilding traces. Also replaced the ceramic caps that are sometimes problematic, C20 and 21, with some electrolytics. And installed NVRAM. The person that was chasing the problem before also hacked up the socket at U6, or tried to put a socket at U6, so I had to fix that. The driver board was only lighting 3 of the lamp columns, so 5 of them were out. And the root cause of the problem there was these 4 Zener diodes, plus one more there at D44, were shorted, and it was shorting between the lamp columns, which is weird. It's the first time I've ever seen that. So got that working, and you can see all the lamps are working, but let's put it through its tests. Memory test okay. Lamp check. Everything now operating correctly. It did have another fat on there that somebody tried to replace and didn't get it in there quite right, but we got it in right now. You can go through each individual lamp. I've already done this, and they all work. Now we can go through each solenoid one at a time, and you'll be able to hear them pop. These are the flashers, also driven by solenoid circuit. The GI relay. All good. I pressed the button too quickly and missed, I think it was 29. Ah, the knocker. How could I forget the knocker? All right, so all those coil circuits are working fine. The switch matrix, I went through this earlier and pressed individual switches on my playfield. System 3 is a little different with the switch matrix, so I didn't bother to hook up my switch matrix tester. All those are working properly. And I'll show everybody the LED test for Silver Slugger. It just routes each individual number through each individual LCD block. And the sound test. So everything's communicating properly there. Let me do the display test. Looks like I missed that the first time through. Here we go. And this is working properly also. A little hard to see that. It's too much contrast. But all working, so let's turn it off and then boot it back up again. And it takes a bit longer to boot sometimes. I suspect because of these electrolytic instead of ceramic caps that I've placed in here. Thank you very much.